Alright, so this is the unboxing of the Bluetooth HiFi turntable system, the UD006 from Udreamer. As you can see here, there's the top part, plastic on top, which we're going to take off in a second. And then we got the actual turntable. Bunch of cables, speaker cables, USB cable, power adapter. And by the way, I'll do a separate review video for this as well. Sorry about the shaky camera movements here. I'm holding the camera and unboxing it at the same time. Here we have the actual turntable itself. Very nice looking. We got the controls and everything. Underneath, some rubber feet. This one comes with a preamp built in, and I'll show you the back panel here. So we have RCA cables out, we have a USB out, and we also have the speaker cables out, the power switch. Of course, the speakers. We could take the covers off the speakers as well, because if you want that kind of look, these are like bookshelf type speakers. And then I put the cable on here, very easy to install. Of course, there's a manual as well, and then it comes with the whatever that part's called, I'm not sure. It's pretty heavy duty, pretty heavy. And then you got the part there for the records to go on. With the counterweight here for the stylus arm and such. Then we have all the cables, as I mentioned earlier. And the speakers. So let's look at some of the specs on the website here real quick. Alright, so on the website here, we'll take a look at some of the specs. Now you can get this with two different modes. The Bluetooth mode for output and input. That's the model I have. Then there's another version which is the Bluetooth input. And some of the specs here, the speakers, they play 7-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch. We have the speeds here, 35s and 45, or 33 rather, and 45 speeds. We have the cartridge here, which is the cartridge from their site. And for the Bluetooth support, you could use it as a Bluetooth speaker with your, iPad, iPhone, whatever Bluetooth device you have. Connect to your Bluetooth iPhone, USB, and PC encoding. So the USB cable, you connect to your computer, record the vinyl onto your computer. All right, so we got here. So we got the belt driven. We got 2 speeds, like I said before. The dimensions here, and you can close the cover while you're playing records, which is cool. There's other models out there where you have to have the cover open, but I kind of like to close the cover ones myself. Belt driven record player. It comes with the manual, of course, motor, the iron plate, which, like I said, is pretty heavy duty. It's very heavy. You record right to your computer using MP3. Dust cover, yes. Alright, so check out the review video. I'll pop it up on the screen here. and some demo videos too. I'll throw up with the sound and everything, give you my thoughts and everything about it. And there's links in the video description below for the latest price, where to buy it, discount link as well. I will talk to you soon.